Alright, good morning everybody. This is Todd Mitchell for Monday, August 4th, and we are looking at the stock Dish Network. Dish Network. D-I-S-H, right over here. This is a daily chart, and you can see this stock's been up for quite a while, and we've been pulling back. Let's just look back even further on the stock. Look at this. Now, we've had a real strong uptrend, right? Broke up through the all-time highs right in here. Just a few weeks ago, broke up to the new highs, just like the overall market. Let's go back here, and we've really had a really nice pullback, almost straight down, starting from this high, with lower highs and lower lows. We've, as you can see, we've broken down through the blue action zone. We've successfully broken down through the 50 exponential, pretty much in a straight shot. And now it looks like the market's holding at the gray action zone. The only thing is we've got earnings on this stock on Wednesday the 6th, okay? And it's before the market opens, so not after the market closes, but BMO stands for before market open. We got earnings on Dish, D-I-S-H. But for today and tomorrow, if we're able to get a pop, right, a pop meaning a rally up through Friday's high, right? Friday's high is 82.32. The buy would actually come at 82.42. And if you would want to play the option so you could limit your downside risk on something like this and really try to get an explosive move in terms of percentage wise, you could definitely buy. If again, this is a trade setup, right? There's a big difference between a trade setup and an actual trigger. The trigger to actually enter this market is a penetration up through 62.32 to 62.42. So once you see the stock trade to 62.42, that's when you'd want to look to buy the call option. And I personally would go out to September. I would buy the September deep in the money calls, deep in the money, and I'm talking 2 to 3 strikes below the 60, the 63. So maybe a 60, buy a 60 or a 59 September call option. But you would only look to do that if we get the penetration and we hit the 62.42 today on Dish Network. All right. One other stock that I want to let you know I am in is NXPI, NXP Semiconductor. What I did Friday was I bought the September 60 call. The September 60, so in the money call, okay? Because look at, the market was barely took out this low right here on Thursday, and then we traded up through Thursday's high. So essentially I'm looking at this as the market's back into the gray action zone, right? We did in fact get that inside pattern. We took it out on Wednesday of last week. Then we came down. Never would have stopped us out because our stop was sitting at 60.95. The market traded down to 61.10 and then popped up a little bit on Friday. So I decided to do the call option, the September 60 call option, looking for a bigger move to the upside. And again, I'm going to use this, the actual stock, as a trigger point. So if the market trades down through the 60.95 to the downside, then I would just call myself out of this trade. I'd take a loss, okay? Hope that helps. Have a profitable day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye.